Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. Today's recipe is easy lasagna and bagel with puff pastry. Let's start with lasagna. Some 3 tablespoons oil, 1 large onions, 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, fry it well. Around half kg of minced chicken, boneless. Saute it well. Then add some 4 to 5 tablespoons of tomato paste. Saute it well. And some 4 large tomato puree. Just saute this well. Salt for seasoning according to your taste. Some chicken powder. One teaspoon sugar. 2 tablespoons of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, in another pan just take 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of maida, saute the maida well so it should get cooked.
Black pepper और salt add करें.
Okay, add 2 cups of milk and keep stirring it so there shouldn't be no lumps. Here the clip got little bit of mist. In the white sauce just add a little bit of oregano, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder and a teaspoon of salt. And cheddar cheese is optional. You can add 2 tablespoons of cheddar cheese. And here I am boiling the sheets, lasagna sheets. So once they are, just check if they are boiled. I have taken 6 of them. Now we start the assembling by first putting the white sauce in a greased tray. Just spread it. Now you can add the sheets. Here I have taken 3 sheets at a time. So you can just take how many sheets as ever you want according to your size of the tray. And this is the red sauce of chicken what we prepared. Just spread it evenly on all the corners and then again the white sauce. Do not mix it, you can just spread it evenly, carefully. And to this I am adding little bit of cheddar cheese and again the sheets and again the white sauce, again the chicken sauce, red sauce, and the same process you can continue it by layering it. Okay, now you can bake this for 190 degrees for 30 minutes and again remove it, and 2 minutes you can bake it just on the top just to layer it, making it golden brown. And this is cooked now, so you can see the lasagna is completely cooked and it tastes awesome and delicious. Do try this recipe and you will love it. So the next recipe is bagel. This is we are making with the puff pastry, which we get the puff pastry in any supermarket. So just take the puff pastry, each sheet, and just roll it, just stretch it little bit with your rolling pin or something. So on the both sides you can just roll it. And this is the way you can just fold it. You can put any fillings also. I can show you that later on. This is the bagel, which is a Turkish dish. And just roll it like how I'm rolling it. Roll it well and just fix the ends on from both the sides, and again just roll it little bit. Just make it a ring form kind of a shape. And it is done. So you can do the same process for how much ever you want. So this one I'm just going to show you how to do a filling of chicken in the bagel. So I'm just rolling the puff pastry. This is the ready-made puff pastry which is available in any supermarket. I ordered this from Big Basket. So this is the chicken filling. You can just keep the chicken in a row like this and just roll it and make it into a ring shape. So you can see how I'm doing this. You can take any fillings. If you are a vegetarian, you can take any potato filling or something. Just make sure that the filling is not too wet. Let it be a dry filling so that you can roll it easily in your puff pastry. So this is the way you just roll it. So this is maple syrup and sesame seeds. You have to dip it in the maple syrup and sesame seed. So 2 tablespoons of maple syrup with half glass of water. You're just going to dip it in that. Then roll it in the roasted sesame seeds. And keep it in the baking tray. So this is with the maple syrup, and one more variation, you can just brush it with egg if you don't want the maple syrup and sesame seed. And now just bake it for 30 to 35 minutes on 180 degrees. Celsius. So this is the baked ones with the egg brush. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel.